In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide and move your tabs here in Google Sheets. So you're working on a spreadsheet and you just want to organize your tabs or your sheets down below. Let's say I want to hide these tabs right here because I don't really need them anymore because they're all combined in this data right here. But I can't exactly delete them because they are linked to this tab right here. So what I can do is to just hide them. To do that, I'll just have to click on that tab or sheet, then click on that arrow down to have more options. Here you'll see Hide Sheet. If I click on it, that tab or sheet is now hidden. Let's try that again. So just click on the tab that you want to hide, click on the arrow down, select Hide Sheet. One last time for source number 3, click on it, click on the arrow down, and select Hide Sheet. And there we have it. We've successfully hidden those 3 tabs. Now to see all of your tabs, all you have to do is to click on this All Sheets right here, where it will show you all of your tabs or sheets, whether they're hidden or not. And to unhide your sheets, all you have to do is to click on them, and there you have it. Go back to All Sheets, click on Source 2, there it is, All Sheets again, and Source 3. What if you want to rearrange some of your tabs? Let's say I want this pivot table to be next to our combined data. All we have to do to move our tabs around would be to click on them, hold on to that click, and now you can just drag it to where you want it to be. So after combined data, release that click, and there you have it. We've repositioned our sheet into that position. Let's try that again. Let's say we want an ascending order. Let's put 3 at the front and 1 at the back. Let's click on the one that we want to move, drag it to where we want it to be, and there you have it. One last time, and there you go. So that's how easy it is to hide and move tabs here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.